The following King of the Ring first round contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, from Alexandria, Egypt, the Superstar.
Oh, the WWE Universe letting him hear it.
And approaching the ring, from Alexandria, Egypt, the Superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe sure isn't shy about sharing their feelings about this superstar. Here we go, and this one's destined to be a human demolition derby. Neither individual is going to back down here. Look at these two jockey for position. Reversal. Oh, and he does it one more time. Did you see the force behind that? Oh, look at this. He was able to reverse that. He drops the elbow. And there's the elbow. Hey now! The Superstar's looking great here at the top of the first, and he gets leveled. You hear how his leg connected? Another stiff kick. A great European uppercut. He's in a kick out. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight. He's putting those educated feet to good use. He saw that one coming. Great move. Nice reversal there. And just tossing him to the ground. Whoa, whoa! That was an absolute... Ah! What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Oh! And he's in a world of trouble here. Look at this. Oh, now can the superstar capitalize? Oh, this isn't good. Oh, man. That'll take the wind out of your sails. That should do it right there. 2, 3. That's it. The match is over. We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check them out. And here's some highlights from the matchup.
Here is your winner, the Superstar.
Absolutely amazing. We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight. I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.